Keeping your commercial refrigeration units clean is critical for optimum performance and to ensure food quality and safety. Dirty and clogged condenser coils are a leading cause of refrigeration inefficiency and even failure. But cleaning cooler cases can be a difficult and time-consuming task. That's why Kaivac created the Fresh Cleaning Cart, a simple, effective solution for successful maintenance of your commercial cases. The Fresh Cleaning Cart features a specially designed, built-in indoor pressure washer and a powerful wet vacuum that work together to produce clean, safe, and odor-free cases operating at peak efficiency. And cleaning cooler cases with the Fresh Cleaning Cart takes less than half the time of conventional methods. The system includes an indoor pressure washer, 15-foot spray line, high-pressure spray wand, a 3-stage wet vacuum, 15-foot vacuum hose, sturdy one-piece vacuum wand, large capacity clean water tank, 17-gallon vacuum recovery tank, lithium-ion battery and charger, and a number of tools and attachments to assist in case cleaning operations. This worker-friendly system is easy to use and easy to learn. To begin, simply fill the system's fresh water tank with hot water and remove all product from the cooler case. Then, use the indoor pressure washer to flush dirt and debris from the fan housing and condenser coils. Unlike traditional pressure washers, which can damage sensitive components, the Fresh Cleaning Cart provides the perfect balance of water pressure and volume for effective results without harming expensive equipment. The system's powerful wet vacuum recovers liquid, soil, and other matter, preventing soils from entering the case drain, which could lead to clogging. The Fresh Cleaning Cart is also equipped with specialty tools and attachments designed to make case cleaning quick and easy. When cleaning tasks have been completed, the recovery tank can be easily emptied using the built-in drain hose. Simply empty the vacuum tank and rinse the inside of the tank to keep it clean and ready for use. Then, plug the battery in to charge the system's lithium-ion battery. For detailed instructions on using the Fresh Cleaning Cart to clean cooler cases in other areas of the building, refer to the training placards that came with your system. Before we begin cleaning, we'll set up the Fresh Cleaning Cart. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. To begin, we'll gather all the necessary tools we'll need to perform our cleaning operations. Make sure the vacuum wand, Insta-Drain tool, fan lift tools, crevice tool, dusting brush, and drain stopper tool are attached to the Fresh Cleaning Cart. Now is also a good time to put on the appropriate protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses. Next, wheel the system to a water source to fill it with hot water. The Fresh Cleaning Cart should always be filled with hot water only. Never use chemicals when filling the system. Doing so could cause damage to the system's internal pump as well as the cooler's coils. To fill the system, remove the black lid on the top of the fresh water tank and set it aside. If your sink is equipped with a hose, insert the hose into the top of the fresh water tank and turn on the hot water to fill the tank. For sinks not equipped with a hose, use the universal fill hose to fill the tank. Simply extend the hose from the cart and attach the hose to the faucet. Turn on the hot water and fill the system. When the fresh water tank is full, turn off the hot water and replace the black lid on the top of the fresh water tank. Finally, check the charge level of the battery by pressing the test button located on the rear of the system. To charge the battery, locate the charger port on the side of the battery box and insert the charger's plug. The plug is keyed and will only fit one way. Align the tabs on the plug with the slots in the battery's power port and seat the plug fully into the receptacle. Now, twist the plug clockwise from the 11 o'clock position to the 12 o'clock position until you hear it click into place. With the charger connected, plug the charger into an electrical outlet to begin charging. During the charging process, a red LED light on the charger indicates that the battery is still charging. A green light indicates that the battery is fully charged. Once the battery has been charged, disconnect the charger from the battery by sliding the locking tab back and rotating the plug in a counterclockwise direction and pulling the plug out of the receptacle. With the system all set up, we're ready to start cleaning. Once the fresh cleaning cart is set up, we'll prepare the cooler case for cleaning. Please refer to the Fresh Cleaning Cart Setup video module for detailed instructions for filling and preparing the system for cleaning. Begin by removing all product from the cooler case. Place the product on a rolling cart for temporary storage in a walk-in cooler while we're cleaning the case. As you remove the product, place it on the cart in an organized fashion to make restocking the case after cleaning easier. Once all the product is removed from the case, roll the cart to a walk-in cooler for cold storage during the cleaning process. Finally, call facilities maintenance to inform them that you're going to be performing cleaning operations. We're now ready to begin the process of cleaning the cooler unit. Now that the cooler cleaner is set up and the case has been prepared, we're ready to start cleaning. Please refer to the Setup and Preparing the Cooler Case video modules for detailed instructions for preparing for cleaning operations. To begin, attach the spray wand to the spray hose. Pull back on the spray line collar and insert the spray wand fully. Then, release the collar, locking the spray wand in place. Next, unwrap the spray line and turn on the pump using the switch on the rear of the system. Using the cooler cleaner spray wand, rinse the tops of the case racks to wash away soils. If necessary, use the scrub brush to loosen any stubborn soils. Once the racks have been rinsed, remove them from the case and set them aside. Next, lift the case trays on either end of the cooler to locate the coolant valve. When you locate the valve, turn it in a clockwise direction to the fully closed position to allow the refrigerant to boil out of the system. Now, grab the 10-inch squeegee head from the rear of the system and attach it to the vacuum hose. Turn on the vacuum and use the 10-inch squeegee to vacuum standing water from the case trays. If necessary, use the scrub brush to loosen stubborn soils. When the case trays have been vacuumed, remove them and set them aside. Next, unplug each of the fans from the fan housing. Then, return to the system and locate the dusting brush on the system's black box. Attach the dusting brush to the vacuum hose and use it to clean the dust from the fan blades. When the fan blades have been dusted, use the dusting brush to clean the overhead vents, working your way back to the system. Now, use the spray wand to rinse the top of the fan housing. As you rinse, pay particular attention to the top of the plenum and avoid spraying directly into the fans and electrical outlets. Rinse dust and soils to the bottom of the case as you go. Once the fan housing has been rinsed, grab the fan lift tools from the rear of the system and use them to prop the fan housing in an upright position while we clean the case. Now, remove any large debris that may have fallen into the case. Then, remove the drain filter and place the stopper tool in the case drain to prevent soils and debris from entering the drain. Now is also a good time to use the spray wand to rinse the drain filter. Now, return to the system and attach the Insta-Drain tool to the vacuum hose and turn on the vacuum. Place the Insta-Drain tool in the bottom of the case to one side of the drain, allowing the suction from the vacuum to hold it in place. The Insta-Drain tool recovers excess water and soil as you're cleaning, keeping the case drain clean. Now, use the spray wand to rinse dirt and debris from the coils. Rinse the coils from top to bottom, being careful not to touch the coil fins with the tip of the spray wand. Continue rinsing the coils with the spray wand, allowing the water and soils to be recovered through the vacuum hose. Once the coils have been rinsed, turn the pump off and wrap the spray line back onto the system. Next, return to the system and locate the crevice tool attached to the system's black box. Attach the crevice tool to the vacuum hose and turn on the vacuum motor. Use the crevice tool to vacuum away any soils or standing water inside the cooler case. Next, remove the crevice tool from the vacuum hose and wrap the vacuum hose back onto the system. Leave the vacuum running while you wrap the hose to avoid drips. When the hose is wrapped, turn the vacuum off. Now, remove the fan lift tools and lower the fan housing into place. Then, remove the stopper tool from the case drain and replace the drain filter screen. Now is a good time to return the tools to their proper location on the rear of the system. Now, plug all of the cooler fans in and ensure that they are all functioning properly. Then, turn the coolant valve in a counterclockwise direction to the full open position. Finally, replace the case trays and racks. If there is standing water on the floor in front of the cooler case, you can use the vacuum wand to remove it. Attach the vacuum wand to the vacuum hose and turn on the vacuum. Then, vacuum the floor around the case, leaving it clean and dry. Once the case has been cleaned, we're ready to place product back into the cooler. Once the cooler case has been cleaned, we're ready to restock the unit with product. Please refer to the cooler case cleaning video module for detailed instructions for cleaning the cooler case. To restock the case, wheel the rack from the cold storage to the cooler case and replace the product in the reverse order from which it was removed. Finish restocking the case and continue to the next case to be cleaned. If you are finished cleaning for the day, it's time to empty and rinse the vacuum tank. Please refer to the Emptying the Fresh Cleaning Cart video module for detailed instructions.